Kajala Megalaya Tang Nek Nyoteric Unaila Aja Arpo Kaladan Country would give you a Tamayo COVID-19. Uba AL Hek Mentrigat Nakakoikia, Ula Pentip and Akini country would give you a Tamai, Kadway would Kidena East Casis District, Hakabasan would Kidena Armed Force, Lying would Kideki Doctor Neigrihms, Iwei Staff Nurse na Civil Hospital Shillong, Iwei Riupait Ba na West Casis District, Iwei Riupait Ba na West Garo Hills, Armwood Naka Armed Force na Riboy District, but Iwei Riupait Ba na East Giantia Hills District. Dagajing yot thamai kini ki country ngur Kajala Megalaya hadu bapin mi yagani ka khubor kadon shiajar rutali ki positive case Sanspa khandai photali ki active case Southpa kharwai tali ki recovered case but sanwur ki blacklat no nagini ki Sanspa khandai photali ki active case ki East Casis district kadon Southpa saupun rutali hakabashispa saupulai ngur ki de ki shipai BSF aspa lai pinyo ki riupai ba ban riupun ngur naka armed force West Casis District kadon Riutali ki active case, Riboy District Nyopuar, West Giant Hills District Khanrio, East Giant Hills Khatpra, West Garo Hills Arpupra, South West Garo Hills but South Garo Hills ki don Mar Artali ki active case.
The new positive cases today there are 16 numbers. In East Casis we have 11, 5 are armed forces, 1 is the staff nurse from the Civil Hospital Shillong, 2 are returnees, 3 are from Neigrihms doctors. They are the doctors from Neigrihms. 3 are the doctors from Neigrihms. 3 doctors, language doctors. West Garo Hills 1 returnee. Then East Giantia Hills 1, Riboy District 2 and West Casis 1. Total are 16 positive cases of today. Southpa, Southpunriu, Tanghapo, East Casis. West Casis, there are 6. Southwest Casis 0. Riboy District 72, West Giantia Hills District 16, East Giantia Hills District 18, West Garo Hills 28, Southwest Garo Hills 2, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 0 and North Garo Hills 0. 411 recovered till today, and total active cases we have till today 590. Civil Hospital. Riboy kidi Ngut kidi armed force. Langta dapo West Casis di Bonpai returnee. Langta dapo East Giantia Hills di Iwei driver battery hapo Topsum cement factory. The number of persons tested negative till today there are 39,008. 39008. The number of tests waiting for the result till today there are 617. Kini ki bangila pha nagabanta ki sampul banne test hadu manda kasi kilong 1,000 rus pa lai kuwai. Kibala test negative hadu manda kasi nyo August arpo kilong lai pundai hajar prangut. But ia kebangindang up pada ia ke result hadu manda kilong rus pa khat nyo. Ikitu ki bukan fai pada na sabar jong Meghalaya hadu menta kilong total 6,000 life kondai. Those are coming from outside the state. Till today there are 26,039.